When your patients are relying on you for excellent medical care, it's imperative that the equipment you use is reliable and safe. Protect your patient's health and your reputation by making medical equipment maintenance the #1 priority in your practice, so that you can have peace of mind is in good hands. When your equipment malfunctions, proper maintenance and calibration are critical to ensure top quality patient care, maintaining your practice's longevity and avoiding costly downtime in your schedule. If you have medical equipment on the fritz or are looking for a long-term medical equipment repair and calibration partner, look no further than AKW Medical. AKW Medical has been serving Southern California and the greater United States for over 30 years, has a stellar reputation, and is committed to providing the highest level of service for the benefit of their clients and the patients their clients serve. When it comes to equipment sales, repair, and calibration, AKW Medical is the company you can trust. From the operating room to the clinic, we support anesthesia, patient monitors, EKG machines, autoclaves, operating tables and lights, defibrillators, and much more. We work with a wide variety of well-known brands and have been taking care of our clients' needs reliably for over 30 years, because support for life is what we do best. Looking for a reliable, professional medical equipment repair and calibration company? Call 877-525-5939 or visit akwmedical.com to get started today.